Hey everybody, wanted to take just a couple of seconds, really it's not going to take long, maybe a minute or two, and just show you the layout of our Blackboard course so that way you don't have any questions. Okay, so when we log in, this is what we'll see, right? We have the home page. It might come up for you on the announcements page, but either way, you should see the menu to the left. Now, some of you have indicated that you don't see the menu to the left. In that case, if you see a blue line all the way to the left of your screen, right? Right over here, a blue line. If you see that, then click on that blue line and that'll make that menu pop right out, okay? Because you should see this to be able to move forward, okay? So we have the home page, right? There's not really, it's sort of like a place where everything comes together. I don't personally use the home page very often. You can if you want. We've got the announcements where you'll see anything that I've posted that I feel will be beneficial to you. There's the Start Here button, which is actually where I'm going to start, ironically. So in Start Here, you'll see we have our syllabus. We have information about writing tutoring, library help, our textbook, and then orientation exercises. That's just some generalities about how to utilize an online course. Now, in the syllabus, you'll see there's 3 sections: course competencies, basically things that Gwinnett Technical College attests you will learn by the end of this course. Academic policies, just some overall ideas and rules that you have to follow as a student of Gwinnett Technical College in this course. And then the instructor policies. These are my rules. If you viewed the instructor policies video, then you have a little bit of an idea as to what those are, but you may want to come back through and read it yourself at any given point throughout term. Okay, we have the calendar, which shows you the assignments that we have available for our class. I would click on mine, but it'll show you all the assignments for all of the classes I'm teaching, and it's going to look overwhelming. So I'm going to avoid doing that. We have our office hours button, so we can click on that during that window on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. If you click there during that time period, it'll let you into office hours. You can ask me any questions you have. We can have a conversation, whatever you need. Okay? And then we have this folder, Tips and Tricks for English 1101. Some little reminders, or maybe not so much reminders, but as we go through, they will become reminders for you. Now, these first two, right, accessing the GTC library and Galileo, hopefully you know how to do that. Hopefully you know how to access your GTC email account. If you don't, these will help you do that, right? It's just a step-by-step instruction with screenshots to show you exactly what you need to do. When it comes to creating a document, right, formatting your document in MLA is where you'll want to double check to make sure you haven't forgotten anything. Later on in the course, as we are creating our argumentative essays and our comparison contrast essays, we have determining keywords for research, right? And then for the argumentative essay, we've got MLA's works cited citation formatting and formatting an MLA works cited page, right? So all of those are just really easy things, resources for you to just sort of click and remind yourself of the things we discussed in class. Now, we also have weekly modules, which you will, if you click, you'll see it broken down by week, okay? Right now, I've only got the first couple of weeks posted, but we don't need to jump any further ahead than that right now. The others are there, they're just invisible. Same thing for Essay 1 assignments. If you want to look and see everything for Essay 1 all in one place, you can click there, okay? Now, depending on which section you're in, your due dates might look a little bit different. I teach a Term A and a Term B. So Term B is shorter, which means the assignments are faster. There's less time in between them. For Term A, if you look at this, don't freak out and think these are your deadlines, okay? These are Term B's deadlines, but yours is set up the same way, just with the proper spacing for your class, okay? We also have the about the instructor. If you want to know about me, you can send an email through Blackboard if you want, or you can send it through your traditional GTC email account. That's up to you. Surveys for the end of term, and the help button if you ever have issues with Blackboard. All right, so that's basically how you'll navigate Blackboard. So if you ever get confused, come back to this video and check it out. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day, do great things, and I'll see you next time.